The truth be told, you were so scared. I saw it in your face when the masquerade fell. I refused to get up.
You can't blame me. The masquerade decided to play a prank on all of us, and you expect me not to be worried? In my kingdom?
To be honest, that was too expensive.
Really too expensive?
It was too expensive.
Really expensive.
It's all part of the fun of the festival.
Yes.
Yes,
of course.
I must confess. This year's festival is second to none. Second to none.
Because of that, I am making plans that next year's own will be much, much better.
I trust you. I trust you, Igwe.
Definitely.
No. Let's take it one. Okay. I'm telling you, you have something.
What happened to you? What? Why are you crying? Ogini?
Bara beats me.
Bara did what? Why?
I was in the farm, I was working. Bara and his mom came there and told me to go and refuse. Bara came, slapped me and pushed me. Just see my body.
Come inside. Come inside. Chika, you are too stubborn. I've warned you several times. Leave that man for them. Leave it. Leave Happy Galandaka. You will not listen to me. What is your problem now? What is this? Eh? Listen, our parents, they died. We don't have a brother. We are just two girls. These people have rejected us. It is obvious. Leave them alone. Let them be. Happy had the land. I tell you, go to my shop. I can feed you. I can feed myself. You will not listen to me. Now, just see. Just imagine. What is this? What is this? Ha! But wait. Did you actually say that? But I did this to you.
Sister, look at my body now. No.
No problem. It's fine. I will not go and fight though. I can't do anything. Who am I? I don't have strength. I can't fight. But they will understand that our parents don't give birth to weaklings. That's a promise. I'm going to go inside. Go inside!
Sometimes it becomes very fun.
No, you are not.
By the way, I called my son. Yes, and I told him to return from abroad to Nigeria as soon as possible.
That's good to hear. My daughter should be back any moment from now. I can't wait for both of them to get married.
Same here.
Where is your son in Australia? He lives in Australia, I guess.
Igwe,
Austria.
are you the one asking this? Oh, come on. My son is in London.
He is,
Anyway, I can't forgive you for that. Yeah?
but I heard he's doing so well.
That is an understatement. Look, my son is very rich. As a matter of fact, he's well. I've sold out my old car. He asked me to sell it. And he's buying me a new one, a Jeep. And guess what? How much?
Is that so?
I'm telling you.
In that case,
as a matter of fact, a friend of his told me that he is the richest Igbo man in the streets that they live in London.
Enough. He must marry my princess.
Ah, come on.
He must marry my princess.
That is a foregone conclusion. That is further solidify our friendship and we'll get wealthier.
Oh, yes.
You know?
Oh, yes. And maybe I should tell your son to at least also buy me at least a more befitting Jew.
That's no problem. I will talk to him. I will talk to him. You know, Olowu and Igwe are planning to get their children married anytime soon. That is what I heard. And yes, it is all over the place. The news is everywhere. The billionaire son of Olowu is coming down to Nigeria to marry the princess. Well, it will be a wonderful wedding. I mean, it will be one in town. I can't afford to miss it, my friend. Yes, sir. Where is this one going?
Who cares? Look, my own is for her to get married and leave my compound. That is what I'm... her trouble is too much.
She claims to be a hit woman. It's you that is tolerating all this. If I were to be in your position, I would have dealt with her.
Let's be going where we're going. Only God knows where she's going. Thank you. Don't have problem time for her.
Amara!
Papa.
Oh.
Papa, don't come.
Please get me checked. The fact about it.
Okay, Papa. Hi. Hi, no.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank
So how was the meeting?
Well, it was fine.
Okay.
Please go and get me water to drink.
Oh, so nice. How was the meeting?
Well, it was fine.
Yeah.
The Igwe would not let me rest. Everything is about our son coming back to marry the princess.
Yeah.
Eh?
It's your food.
You know it's a thing of joy for him. That man is overwhelmed.
Papa, that Igwe is with you. Many suitors have come to marry the princess, but he turned them down. That's bad of him. Maybe because my brother's way of him, that's why.
Will you shut up your mouth there? What do you know? Eh?
Amara Chukwu, how many times have I told you that whenever I'm talking with your father, you shouldn't put your mouth?
Don't mind that. Okay, tell me. Do you want a poor man to marry the princess?
I don't know.
Papa, all I want is my brother's happiness. Nobody should marry because of his world.
You are still talking. You are still talking.
What is wrong with this girl? Let me get out from here. Go and prepare something for me to eat. Idiot.
Never mind now. Children of nowadays.
What is wrong with her?
Here.
Hey. Anyway, don't let her use reggae to spoil our business. I am telling you.
Crushing.
Your son should come back. Your son should come back. Well, take it easy.
Who will see a handsome man?
With cash, money, you know? Daddy! Hey! Hey! Papa! Look at you! Papa, I have missed you. Where is everybody? Where's Mama? Mama! Mama! Papa? What happened? What is this? Get water! Water! Somebody get water! Water! Wake up now! He's gonna wake up! Wake up!
That is how I lost everything. Everything. There's nothing I did not do to make sure that my trip abroad did not fail. But I cannot kill myself. I'm back.
Hey! This is not ordinary. This is a pure handwork of witches and wizards. Eh? What are we going to tell Igwe? Nine. How do you face the king?
Igwe, the king, how? What is going on? Why?
You don't know what is going on. Igwe has been dreaming day and night that you're coming back to marry his only daughter, the princess.
Me?
Yes! As a matter of fact, he has refused all suitors that are coming to ask for her hand in marriage. As he speaks now, no young man in this community dares go to propose to that young lady.
But why? Why is that so?
Because the news is everywhere that you're very rich.
Me?
That you've made so much money. Hi, Chibo. Nine. Do something now. This is shameful. This is shameful. Nine. I don't want no more. I'm finished. Oh.
My brothers, what am I going to tell them? Eh? Look, you this stupid idiot. You are going back home. You are leaving this village today. In fact, go to the city, Lagos, Onitsha, anywhere you like. I will look for money. You will go there and remain there until I raise enough money to send you back to Europe. You are not going to disgrace me here.
I only just came back. I want me to leave my family. I'm not going anywhere. I just came back. I have failed abroad. My father's land cannot fail me. I have just returned. Besides, I even have a beautiful plan. I want to use the last money that I have to buy a thing. Yes.
Guys, brother.
See, let me tell you something. Those of us abroad, we're even more informed about what happens in rural areas like this.
Hey!
That thing makes people a lot of money. Mama, I can be doing it and be surviving, spending one other opportunities that fail themselves. Look on the brighter side. Things will get better. I'm back.
Who has turned you upside down? Who did this to you?
What are you talking about?
So, you came all the way from abroad with a big dream to become a palm wine tapper.
No.
You that's a master degree holder. You're not even thinking towards going to the city to look for a white collar job. How? Who did I offend?
Look, you this Echezona, you must be mad. In fact, you are stupid to conceive in your head that stupid idea that you want to come and God. Not just that you want to be a palm wine tapper in my village. God punish you. Look, you are leaving this village this night. I'm going to get money this night and sneak you out. You're not going to disgrace me here.
You cannot sneak me out of my father's land. What are you saying? I'm back is that I'm back. Let me survive. Like I said before, I have failed abroad. But I cannot fail here. I am a son of the soil. But let me tell you something. I'm not holding anybody's blessing. I'm not holding anybody's grace. Okay? So you should just let me be. And if you all have got to go and tell the whole world how I'm so rich and I'm the president of one small African country, and I go back and tell them that you were drinking and it's a prank. Echezona is back. And I am back for real, like in my, in my real form.
God will punish you. I'm telling you, God will punish you for this nonsense you are saying. The white man has been watching you. You don't even know what you're doing again. No go. Amarachi.
Papa.
Both of you, keep your eyes on this idiot. He's not going to leave this house until night falls. I will raise money and we are going to snake him out. He's not going to disgrace us in this village. Hi!
God, don't forget me.
Mama! 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 You people are here. Mama!
Oh, you think you are joking?
You people are here. Mama, this door is locked.
Yes, it is locked.
Please, just send me open the door. I want to go out and see some friends.
But I cannot leave the room. Oh. You can't even leave the room.
What is this? Am I under house arrest?
Papa has locked me out.
Shut up, please. What do you know? Mommy. Mommy, open the door now. Open the door.
You think you are joking? Your father has gone to look for money for you to go back this night.
Mama, you know that I'm claustrophobic. I cannot stay in a space, in a confined space.
But you will tell, you don't have no other choice.
Will you shut up? Mama, come. This is serious. Mama, open the door now.
I'm not even with the key. Your father is with the key.
Mama, open this door now from outside, please. What is this now? This stuff like I don't understand. Am I not a prisoner in my own father's house?
Oh, but I'm not joking now.
Okay, so I see you're not going to do it, Papa, eh?
But I have no other choice.
You have no other option. So you have forgotten when I used to buy you things from abroad.
You cannot leave this compound until it's dark.
Ha!
We have shame. If you don't, we have shame.
Okay, Mommy, please open the door. That's your money.
Hey! You went to abroad and came back empty-handed. It is from the room. You're going to manufacture money to give to me.
Tell you. I want to understand something. Mommy, so you have connived with your husband now to keep me in this house. House arrest. Mama, please open the door. I don't want to leave the town. Please.
Hi! Papa? What happened? Hey! What happened? Huh? Dream? Again? Is that why you scream like that?
What kind of dream is this now?
So what happened in the dream?
Huh?
What happened to that son?
God forbid.
Don't forbid it. What kind of terrible dream is this one now?
Hi. He came back poor, looking wretched. I don't understand.
Never, Papa. But later became king. How? Came back home.
That is the confusing part of the whole thing. He became king, married to the princess, rich and mighty, spending money anyhow. I don't understand this dream. I'm so confused.
The truth of the matter is that you see that part of becoming rich and king. I claim it for my son. But the other side, I reject it too. My enemies will never succeed. Never. God forbid. It will not be his portion. Never. It will not be his portion. Can't give my own son that I carried in this my womb. Mbano. Hey, coming back with bako sack and one bread is also. Mbao. I reject it. It's not our portion, not in this family. Amen. 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 Serious amen. Yes.
What is it?
I think you need to treat malaria. Treat malaria. Combine here with typhoid. Yes, Papa. Because we need to know where these things are coming from. Let's know what we are going through. Do you understand me? Because you've been dreaming strange dreams.
Adama, where's that stupid girl? Where is she? What's the problem? Am I the one you're talking to like that? Is something wrong with you? Are you talking to me like that? You are living with your sister. The F13 to call police on my wife and my son. The F13 to call police on my wife and my son. Ha! What I will do to her?
Uncle, what about your son that has the effort to slap me? On my father's land, you not talk about that one.
What did you just say? What did I hear you say? On your father's land. Is your father's land your land? When the time comes, you will tell me as a woman if a woman has power over any land in this community. See, tell your elder sister that I'm coming back for her. Tell her that the true occurrence is coming back for her. What I will do to her, you will not believe it.
my parents, they are still dragging for. Just come back and see that thunder will not fire you. Be careful.
Adama! 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 Go to the station and tell them to release my family. Go to the station and tell them to release my family now. Adama, don't tell me. Don't tell me, Adama. Adama, don't tell me. I will deal with you. Don't tell me. Go and tell them to free my family. Adama, Mua. Wicked man. Wicked uncle. Wicked man on you. Oh! In a bumper, the puppy just from my die. The puppy, when your son was assaulted, when your wife was going up and down, calling my name, gossiping me, she will enjoy this. This is my son. I took this one, I will enjoy this one. Adama, see that land that you are sister. Where's your family? You see your land? Adama, do you have any land? Do women own land in their father's house? No! Women don't own land. No. I'm not arguing with you. Take all the land. I told you to make it, but you take all land. But instead, give her one. What do you want? That one, yeah. What do you want to do with it? What do you want to do with the land? Leave here. Leave my shop. Adama, so because you now deal with the DPO, that is why you decided to lock my family up, Adama. Because you now deal with the DPO, Ada, what I will do with you? If you don't get the DPO to release my family, you will see what I will do. Get bogey. Get. Special info or special. Is it easy to sleep with DPO? Then what's going to with DPO? Can I release her? I saw you. Yes. Then how do I sleep with DPO? Wicked uncle. You are a stupid uncle. I'm going to see your round neck like fool. You are a useless man. You are fool. Yes. Yes. Adama will deal with you. Adama will so deal with you. What I will do with you, Adama? You can't do anything. Wicked man. Any fault on you. Any fault on you. Adama, you see what I will do? You can't do anything. Wicked uncle. Useless uncle. Fool. Let's go see. Run about. Run ball. Lyzzy on top toes. Gorilla. A flat fool. A flat ghost. Useless uncle. Uncle Gonu. Tissue. Tissue. Gano. Don't come and get your plan. So my darling, how was your trip?
Beautiful, but very hectic.
No.
I understand. I know. But the important thing is that we thank the gods for bringing you back to your kingdom, safe and sound.
Yeah.
Do you know that my friend? No.
It is not father.
You know him?
I know him. We've been talking on the phone.
You've been talking on the phone?
Mm-hmm.
You mean you've been talking to the most handsome, the most educated, the richest, and the finest boy in my kingdom?
Yes, father.
Igwe, Can you allow my daughter to settle down before you start talking about it?
Keep your mouth shut. Let us go straight to the point. And he told, the rich boy told his father that he is coming to Nigeria to marry you.
I'm aware.
You are aware. So you people have been relating like butter and bread. That's interesting. Then it's over. It is done. Yes.
Father.
Mm-hmm.
Calling.
Who is calling?
Ikezona.
Hey.
Hello, baby. Yeah. I know.
It's quite clear.
Yes.
That they are in love.
Ah, boy.
Hello, baby. The boy is rich. The boy is a billionaire.
Hey, Ikezona. I'm good. I'm fine. I arrived at the palace earlier today. I'm on my bed, just thinking of you. I missed you so much. You know, I can't wait to see the man that has stolen my heart. Please hurry up and come back. I can't... Yeah, I want you to come and take me away from this boring palace. Yeah, take me to your magnificent mansion. I can't wait to see the mansion you've always talked about. I know. You've been spoiling me with so much money. Thank you for everything. Alright, bye. Kiss, kiss. Mwah.
Sister, what did the police say about Mbara and his mother?
That they should bail themselves with 20,000 each. 20k each. And they don't have 5,000.
Good. This will teach them a very big lesson. How can Uncle be this wicked and
Anyways, that discussion is not my problem now. I'm telling you, like I'm not even interested in yourself. Tomorrow, you start the shop for me. I want to go to the and buy goods.
No problem. Sister.
Again,
I heard that your friend Princess Omalicha is in the village.
Omalicha.
Yes, ma'am. She's back.
Omalicha is back to this village without letting me know. She could not call me on the phone to tell me she was coming back.
Maybe she was busy.
Busy. Yeah. I be this on her levels.
That she might be busy.
No. Adama, don't conclude yet. Calm down. Anyways, I'll go and stay at the palace tomorrow. Let me be sure. I don't want to conclude yet. Abakadi and mama.
Sister, let me help you and count now.
No, thank you. Go and warm that soup for me and make it for me. I'm hungry.
Baby, hold me tight. Oh, baby, you're so sweet. Kiss me. Oh, baby, you're not kissing me well. You're not kissing me well. You know I love you, baby. Oh, baby, kiss me. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, hold me. Hold me.
My princess.
Baby, I love you. I love you so much. Oh, baby. Oh. Let me go back. My princess. I love you, baby. Hold me. Baby, hold me. Oh, God, yes. My princess. Yes, 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 yes. What are you doing in my room?
Adama, your friend, is waiting for you downstairs.
You stupid friend, Adama. Is that why you barged into my room? Get out, you dummy. I don't want to see anybody.
Sorry.
You just ruined my beautiful dream. Baby. Talk of the devil. You know, I was just dreaming of you before you called.
Hey,
So, she's still sleeping?
yes. Maybe you will check later.
Okay, please tell her I came to see her. I might come back later in the evening, or she should just drive across my shop and see me.
Okay, no problem. I'll tell her.
Thank you so much.
Alright.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
We must deal with that girl. Who is she? What God has she to call police on your family? For what?
Nana, you see that girl? I've reported her to you. And I'm going to deal with her in this village. Adama dead me. My friend, wear your cloth. Wear your cloth. I saw you prison. Your brother's your What is all this?
But you must deal with that girl.
Is that what you're saying? I will deal with her.
Somebody who insulted you, molested you, and refused you to go out with you. Even me, I spent millions on her. And she threatened to report me to my wife.
Don't worry about that. I will deal with that girl in Panama. She has beaten more than she can do in this village. Just allow me, let me get to my house and tell to my family. I will now tell you what.
Deal with her.
Yes.
My love, I don't understand what you meant on the phone. I told you I'm coming to pay Otaru in 3 days. Why are you stopping me?
I'm sorry. There will be no marriage between us. I told you on the phone. I was loud and clear about it. I don't know why you took a flight from Abuja to this place. Why are you here? Why are you in my father's place? No, tell me. I want to know.
You're not serious, right? You're pranking me.
I'm done with you.
But I engaged you a few months ago.
A man can engage 10 girls and marry just one. It's just an engagement. Listen, I already found my spec. He is the man that befits my status. He is my spec. He is tall, very handsome, and very fresh. He is rich. Look, you might own houses in a Socorro and drive big cars, but this man in question is 10 times richer than you. You know what he does every morning? He wakes me up with 2 million naira every morning, and he's been doing this consistently for 3 good weeks. Right now, I am super duper rich because my account is sexy with plenty of money. He knows I'm an expensive princess. That is why he showers me with lots of money and gifts.
You've been fooling me because of money. So there was no love.
I am Princess Omalicha. Money drives me, not love. Even your 100 rounds on bed is money. I know what I want, and I already found him. And that is money.
This is serious. So my legs are shaking. You're breaking my heart. Don't do this to me. My friends will laugh at me so badly. Please. You shake it now.
Who are your friends? Do they have a name? Do I look like I care? Excuse me.
Hey! Ha! Mr. Andrew, are you serious? You don't say. Hey, you are crying, no? Ha, Chimo. I've not seen a man cry like this before. Calm down now, Bikono.
Your friend has broken my heart.
Hi.
I've been walking around the kingdom confused. I can't even go back to my base.
Hey.
I heard the father went for a meeting. I've been calling. He's not taking his calls. Even the mother.
A good man like you? Good men are rare to see. I don't understand how. All of a sudden? Why? Princess, what is wrong with you?
Please. Can you help me talk to her? I'll do anything you want.
Come on, Mr. Andre. Come on. Stop. Don't say that. I don't want anything from you. I do not need it. You are a very good man. You have a good heart. You have a pure soul. You are a very good man. It is glaring. So, and I can't forget how you helped me with my shop. You gave me money to open my shop. I cannot forget it. So please, I don't want anything from you. Don't worry, please. Just calm down. I beg you. Just take this easy. Take a deep breath and just calm down. I will go and see her in the palace. That's a promise. Because she can't just know. She can't just how. And just no, it's not possible. It doesn't work that way. No, she can't do that to you now. Haba. Just all get and no, just is the end. No, now there's some. No, I'll go and see her. Don't worry. Calm down. Just calm down.
How dare you? Princess, you slapped me. I'll slap you again. How dare you open your poverty gutter-stricken mouth and ask me if something is wrong with me upstairs? Are you mad? Are you mad, Adama? Princess. Because I asked you why you want to leave and enjoy the love of your life? A man that loves you, cares for you, spends so much money on you, and loves you unconditionally, you slapped me. You know, it baffles me how I allowed you into my space. Because normally, knowing the kind of person that I am, I would not even entertain a thing like you. But I did. I gave you the opportunity to become my friend. Because you're industrious. Now you are trying to cross your boundaries. Not think you can stand where I'm standing and swim in the same world of ocean with me. What is going on there? Get out before I ask the dogs to feast on you. Out!
princess. If you see the way my parents are anticipating the return, the coming of Jesus Christ. But that's not even the problem. I don't like the basis that he's coming back to marry the princess. What do you mean? That the marriage is going to be the talk of the town, that it's going to be big. Like, I'm even hearing from Ineka, one of the ladies in the palace. Neka. Yes, Neka. Okay. I know her. See, nowadays people marry money and riches, not even love. And it's so annoying. I'm saying it now. But wait though. I thought the princess is in a serious relationship. She broke up with him now, all because she wants to marry my brother. Hey, you don't even know what's going on. You need to be coming to the house. Let me give you gist. I need to be coming. Oh my God, people are so unbelievable. I just pray the marriage lasts though. Well, they're here to get married now. We'll find out. I keep praying about for them.
You mean she slapped you because of me?
Yes, she did. I was surprised, you know. I wasn't expecting it. Like, the princess I saw in the palace is not the princess that is my friend. There's something not adding up. I was shocked, very shocked.
You're serious?
Very serious. But you know, I feel there's something wrong. There's something not just okay, but I cannot place it now. There's something wrong somewhere.
What will I do right now? The man really hurts. After my love and support, I saw her through school. I flown her around the world. I even loaned money to support her father's company. It's really terrible.
Andrew, listen. I know how you feel. Sincerely, I do. But I just want you to take things easy. If you ask me, I was thinking you should just go back to Abuja for now. And then after a while, you come back with your friend, brother or father. Just give her a little space and let's see, maybe when you come back, she'll change her mind.
I'll try. The father is not even picking my calls. I mean, what have I done?
Andy, please stop talking like this. Things are... It's not like it's the end already. Just calm down, okay? I feel maybe she's choked or something. You are a very good man, and she knows that. So I do not think this will just end like this. I feel there's something to all these things. So just give her a little space and then just calm down. Take a deep breath, and everything will be okay. All right?
I'll try.
Hi, Princess.
Hello.
Hi, nice to finally meet you in person. What a beautiful princess you are.
Thank you.
My name is Joseph Onora. You can call me Jojo or Enet Oil.
Well, I'm Princess Omalicha, Princess of Zumba Kingdom, MD Royal Property.
Oh, okay.
Have a nice afternoon.
Mind if I give you my card?
Give it to my girl.
But you've always known me as a serious man now. Yes, I tell you that the wedding is going to be the talk of the town in a very, very long time. Yes. You see, when billionaires come together to, wed their children, you know how the story ends. Yes. Well, he's an old son. Yes. He said he's coming to engage her and go straight to the point to wed my daughter. After which, well, she will decide to let her go. He's interested, yeah. You see, we've always prayed for that our children get married. You know, they are friends. Yes. It's okay. You enjoy yourself in Dubai, right? At least you have said the truth. And your wife. Oh, Maria's. My wife is here. Yes, she can speak with you. My friend. Oh, by the way, Dubai.
Hello. Greetings to you too. Well, all fine. We're doing well. Thank you very much. No, it's fine. I'll give back to him now.
Yes, good to hear from you after a very long time. Call all the time now. You're my subject. You are from this kingdom. I understand. It's alright. Okay. Bye.
You need to see the excitement in your face right now. I've never seen you this excited about anything in a very long time.
You can't understand. You just can't understand. I'm so happy for them.
Happy for them too. But what about that dress?
I don't want to hear that thing. Let our daughter handle that herself.
But you are her father. In as much as I want my daughter's happiness, I cannot dispute the fact that Andre is a good man and friend to this family.
As a father, do I wish that she is unhappy? No, she's happy. It is all. And he can pay Andre double of what he has given her. I'm happy that my daughter is finally happy. I'm happy for her too. Really
I called you, my brother, to give you an information about our son, Nigeran. Okay. As this another one. Because for some time now we have not heard from him. Why are you always better about money? Every time money. Oh, why won't I ask for money? My drug is finished. I need some money. Or do you want me to die? No, I don't want you to die, yo. Please, I don't want you to die. Please. Can we hold this meeting as one family? I mean, you don't want to start your quarrels again. You can go ahead. Unfortunately, he has not sent any money. You know me now. Anytime he sends money, I will call Amarachi, go and call my brother. I have to come and collect your share. Okay? But there is good news. Yes. The good news is that our son is coming home. Yes.
Yeah. It is like coming home.
Yes. That's good news. Yes. Good news. Good news is this. He's not just coming home. He's coming home to come and get married.
Hey! It is nice coming home to get married.
Oh, yes.
This is good news.
Guess who he is getting married to? Who is it? The princess of this kingdom.
Princess? Royal family.
He's getting married into a royal family. Not just a royal family, but a very good man. To the daughter of our Igwe, my bosom friend. This is good news. Over good news. So as you can see, we are now in-laws to the Igwe.
What are we now waiting for now? This calls for bigger celebration.
Drink.
This drink is even too small for what you are telling us now.
Drink this one first.
But I see him one shot now.
of the princess of this
Don't forget that it's also our brother. I know. In fact, I think we should start going to the airport. Well, maybe we should look for those Ogene boys so that they can accompany us.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yes. We have actually planned and working together. Even the Igwe talked about my friend.
In case you don't know, Echosa is the only chief petrochemical engineer from this kingdom.
A well-educated man, handsome, rich. In fact, why would the princess not think of marrying somebody like that?
And a noble man like me as a father.
And
you know who of this great kingdom?
We are his brothers.
Yeah, I know. This is good. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
So you folk can go, So let me go back.
Now.
We also the exit.
Okay.
I know you folk like.
This one you're sitting on alone and smiling. I'll get it.
Sit down. Sit down.
I'll get it.
But it's been 3 hours. What is keeping His Majesty up? I mean, you for disappointment. What's with it?
Like you have just said now, you give us the time to be here. You'll come. Let's just be patient.
He was the one that called me.
But we're the ones looking for something. Let's be patient. He's okay. He'll come. I'm sure he's upstairs.
He's there.
That's what they told us.
Oh. My princess.
Princess. Hello.
I'm sorry. We'll be here for almost 5 hours now, waiting for His Majesty. So could you please help us tell him that we're waiting for him?
Yeah.
Please.
Thank you. Really? Okay.
Sorry, I kept you waiting. Sit down.
Thank you.
I was in a full conversation with a friend abroad.
Oh.
Without wasting your time, what brings you here?
I'm sure His Majesty may have forgotten. You know you were the one who called me. I told you about my son. We booked the appointment for today. If you recall, I told you about my son who got an appointment with an oil company in Qatar. And we need to process his papers, and arrange his logistics for him to go. So what we need actually is for you to assist us with some, financial help.
Yes, that's good news. Yes, real good news. You see, things like this, we are sure that our community will have great men tomorrow. And the youth has great future. And I know with time we shall all be great here. It's a very wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Well, Qatar, some years ago, I foraged into that country. It's a big town and a big city with great opportunities. At this point in time, my company is experiencing some little downturn, and it's a nice time, good one. I'm happy for this young man. But I can't be of. It's not like it's a bad idea.
Your Majesty, you see, it's just that it's almost like my last opportunity. I have gotten other call-ups.
Manchester, let us go.
Yes. I really hope.
I've always known the Igwe. He cannot and will never help anyone. He's a very dubious man, very greedy and very stingy.
Njoko, let us not condemn the Igwe. After all, we didn't ask him to keep any money for us.
But are you aware that he was the one that invited them to the palace? And then when they got to the palace, what did he do? He started to tell them stories. 2 days ago, the chairman of the local government came to see him with some...
Njoko, that is none of our business. Huh? Ochoafo is our elder brother. We have helped his son, our nephew, to complete his education. So I believe this is an opportunity for us.
So from all these things that you are saying now, what do you think we should do? Yes, what should we do?
My candid advice and opinion is for us to sell that large piece of land at Uzi.
The land at Uzi?
Yes, let's sell it.
My brothers, I appreciate the fact that you really want to help me here. And I know also that you are aware that helping me is tantamount to helping yourselves. Okay? But don't you think that that land is too big for...
A man cannot have what it takes to make his life better, and he continues to complain and show ignorance. Let us help him. Let us help him. When we help him, it will save us the sorrow and the shame of begging and all that. I believe that the children will do us proud one day. Yes, I have the faith. At least let somebody from this family go abroad.
My brothers, I must tell you that I am touched. I mean, with all what you did, trying to train this boy, and now you are suggesting ways of making him travel abroad. I don't really care what the outcome is. I mean, that's my decision of selling the land. But the fact that you are speaking as one blood today, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay. Yawa.
Hi.
Yawa.
Real brother.
Thank you.
Real brother. That is what you are.
But the truth is that you have the best brothers in the world. I cannot forget their contribution to this family, my personal life, my education from inception, and now this. I'm just so grateful.
My son, those my brothers. I've never seen brothers like that before. They're ready to sacrifice everything for my family. God will bless them. As for you, I know you will make us proud.
Thank you.
I trust and believe you.
Please, my son, when you get there, always remember where you're coming from. Don't go there and forget your uncles. And don't forget us. Most importantly, don't forget why you're there. No distractions. Become one home.
I promise you, Mama, I am going to make you proud. I remember where I'm coming from. I'll always remember home.
I'll definitely meet you on that.
Thank you. I want you to know that this journey is for a good cause. I'll never forget home. I understand how this trip is important.
So I'll do right by all of us.
My prayers are with you.
Hey.
My prayers are with you. God will put you in the right places. You will excel. God, you will see how God will put you.
Of course, I have a praying mother. Of course, I will excel. I want to quickly see my uncles. And it was not much. Let me go see them.
I'll come with you.
You want to come? So let's go.
So, I have to believe that my son is going to be a very wealthy man in the nearest future. Amen. My prayers are with him. He will make us proud. My wife, this world is full of mysteries. Look at the table has turned. We are now Igwe's best friend because of our son. You see? And the fact that Echezona is going to marry Igwe's daughter shows that our family's level has been elevated. But we are now above him. And more! I can decide to cancel the marriage now or tomorrow, and nothing will happen. Heaven will not fall down.
There's nothing in my armpit. If you try that one, Igwe will start crying and come here and start begging people.
And who cares? You think I care? I don't give a damn. When we needed his support, he turned us down.
There will be, I believe there will be an opportunity for you to put that to his face. But for now, Biko, don't cancel the marriage.
Today, he's all over us. Anytime I am with him, your son, my daughter. Your son, my daughter. Just to be clear,
Hey!
our son.
That is why they say that poverty is an offer.
Here. Okay, from Qatar to London.
Here! Madam! Big woman! Are you just waking up from sleep?
I had a dream.
Which dream?
I had a dream that the marriage did not hold. And in fact, I don't even want that marriage to hold.
Will you keep quiet there? You dreamer, what kind of dream? This your daughter is mad though. What dream are you talking about? Are you Joseph?
Papa, the princess is just after our brother's
blood. Are you mad? Are you mad? Come here. Here God. Nonsense. What's wrong with you? I want that. This your daughter is mad though. She's a witch. I don't understand. She can never dream anything good. Bad dreams. Every day, I have a bad dream. Are there no good dreams in her head?
I don't mind her. Please, calm down. Don't mind her. But you see, even this flesh can come to pass.
It will never come to pass. I reject it. What are you talking about? How can it come to pass? This marriage must take place. I want to shame the Igwe. When our son needed help, the Igwe refused to help us. We struggled on our own to send the boy abroad. Now he has made money now. Look, our son must marry the Igwe's daughter so that we can shame him.
My God, are you after the happiness of one revenge?
On whose side?
I'm on the Lord's side. Drop the bag in the wardrobe. Get me my slippers. Unknown number. This could be Andre. Always hiding numbers to call me. Hello? Hey, what is it? I don't talk right now. I just came back from an outing. I need to rest.
Princess, I know you can hear me, but you don't want to talk to me.
I don't talk right now. I just came back from an outing. I need to rest.
Okay, I'll buy you a brand new car and I'll transfer 5 million into your account. Please just talk to me.
Send the money.
Alright, I'll transfer the 5 million right now to you, okay? Just give me some seconds.
Okay. Wow. 5 million naira. Andre is a big boy though. But unfortunately, I have found a bigger man. Which is Zana.
Hello? Yeah, I just transferred the 5 million right now to you. Have you gotten the alert? Oh, okay. Alright, please. Can we just see and talk, please? Okay, please. Your bed is around the corner. Let's just sit and talk about this, please. Okay?
Don't bother about the car. Just monetize it and send me the money in form of cash. Yes. Do it right away.
Alright, okay, hold on. I'll transfer the money to you. The car is worth 7.5 million naira, but I'll make it 8 million naira. Okay? 10 million? Why are you basing our relationship on money?
Excuse you?
Okay, it's okay, fine. I'll transfer 10 million naira to you, it's okay. It's fine. But I just transferred 5 million naira to you not quite long.
If you can't send the money, just forget about it.
It's okay. I'll transfer the 10 million naira to you. If that will make you happy, it's okay. It's fine. But I'm just scared. I'm so scared. I know you're not going to pick my calls. I know you're not going to see me. Please promise me that immediately you see this money, you're going to make out time to see me, please. I can't leave without you. Yeah, okay, fine. I'll do it right away. I'll transfer the 10 million right now.
I'll call you. I just returned from spa. I'm exhausted. I want to rest. I'll call you. I don't talk right now. I'll call you, yes. Oh, alright, bye. I'm good, right? Yes, mother, this boy is pestering my life. Probably I'll have to block him soon because I don't understand. Or I'll tell father to give him a stern warning. Every time he wants to talk to you, even when you're not in the mood to talk, I don't understand at all.
Oh, Malicha, my bright and morning star. Who gave me wine?
Again, this one you're fanning my head. What is this, mother?
Take it easy on them. I mean, Andre, if you don't want him anymore, this is not how to go about it. He has spent lavishly on you.
Well, he has spent nothing because Echezona has so much money compared to Andre. What Andre has spent on me is nothing compared to what Echezona has. So, Echezona is a billionaire. What are we talking about?
If you don't want him, Omalicha, stop taking his money.
Mother, I have heard you. I'm exhausted and I would like to have my bath. Do you mind? Thank you.
Oh no. I reported this case because I want this young lady to leave that house. She's not part of our family. My brother's wife brought her into the family when she married my brother. So she's not part of us. She's not our blood. She has to leave that house.
Yes, we all know the history. Her late mother brought her with her hand to my brother. They stupidly claimed to have loved each other. And that was it.
Quiet. I said, shut up. Why are you disturbing this girl? Is she the only orphan in this kingdom? Is she the only orphan? Both of you should stop disturbing her.
Iraq.
Yes?
Is something wrong with you?
No.
What is the problem here? Did I bring this case to you? Are you the no? Iraq, mind yourself. Iraq,
we are very careful. We are one in this family. We hate injustice and wickedness. You have denied her of all our late father's property. As if that is not enough, you still have the boldness to demand that she leaves her father's house.
Keep quiet, Iraq. You are not the law.
Well, it's okay, alright? Ichokoro. No. This issue between you and this young lady, why is it continuing unending? I had expected that by now you would have settled it amicably among yourself.
No, settling this case amicably is only when she leaves the house.
When she leaves the house, everybody will settle. Emumasa, sir, or by mistake, or kiss him. No. Like are you serious right now? Or it will not work. Sir, I go nowhere. Excuse me, sir. It's not possible. I can't leave my father's house for you. For nobody, not even you. It cannot work, it cannot stand. Yes, my father told me before he died that my mother got pregnant with me when they were in love, and then he married her. Yes, and you can't take the fact with my father.
And that makes you an illegitimate child.
That's a lie.
It's a lie.
I can't go anywhere. I go nowhere.
He came back to her. How do you know?
You know. Why would
you know? There when he was there. Are you a member of my family?
Yes. We're one.
I was on my way to your house. I heard my ex Andre has been talking to you to come and talk to me. Listen, Adama, that the lizard chooses to quench its thirst close to the river doesn't make it in the same class with the crocodile. That the butterfly decides to fly in the midst of birds doesn't make it a bird.
Okay, so all these parables, why are you saying them to me?
Shut up and listen to me.
Do not say such words again. Do you understand? Listen, I'm not in a very good mood. And please, I do not want to remember that thing that happened at the palace. That's what you gave to me. I do not want to remember it because you will not like it. This is not your father's palace. This is a normal ritual room. You can make it like here. Do you understand? Don't even try it next time. I'll want it next time.
Adama, do you realize you're talking to Princess Omalicha? The next time you drag your ugly feet into my palace to form familiarity, all in the name of trying to talk to me about my sexy ex, Andre, I will eat you raw. I will sink you and your entire existence into the ground. I will make life very unbearable for you. I will close down your so-called biscuit shop. You don't know me. You don't know what I'm capable of doing. I will teach you a lesson you will never forget in your entire life. Smelling thing. Idiot.
Huh? You call me a smelling thing? Wow.
You forget so soon? Really? You forgot so soon, Omalicha? I treated you of your skin disease and smelling irritation. Have you forgotten? How you smell and who's down there? Have you forgotten so far? How I mixed the herbs and the concoction that you took that made you come out like this with your stupid and dirty self. You forgot so soon? Don't try me. You ain't gonna go get by, you don't like it. So first time you come and do it go here, I would have finished you. Be very careful. Do you understand? Don't you dare.
My daughter said she is no longer interested in you. So what do you expect me to do? Should I kill her because of you? You know that's not possible.
Your Highness, you also have a role to play. As a father, you know, parents ought to teach their children how to love, care, and be kind, even from impact. You know that, Your Highness.
Have you come to my palace to teach me how to rule my household? Are you sick in the head?
No, Your Highness, I'm not here to teach you how to run your family. But the truth of the whole matter is, my late brother's son here spent hugely on your family. Huh? We are planning for a better marriage between them. See, Andrea here is no longer himself. Huh? He's undergoing depression, and it is affecting me too, as his uncle. Your Highness, please don't do this to us. Talk to the princess. Huh? We came a long way, you know.
Get out of my palace.
Your Highness.
I said get out of my palace. Oh, is it because of 2 plots of land you bought for me in Abuja? And the jeep you gifted me on my birthday that gave you the temerity to bring your uncle to insult me in my palace?
We don't mean it that way, Your Highness.
Get out of my palace. I said get out.
Let's go. Let's get out of here. Your Highness, we will go, but mind you that whatever man sow, he shall reap. Let's go. Let's get out of here.
Get out, I will pay all that you spent on me. But you cannot impose yourself on my daughter.
Chirika, let's get out of here.
Igwe, please, permit me to speak.
Don't speak anything. Just let me go.
Useless man! Huh? Nonsense! Stupid! What a stupid, greedy king! What a senseless idiot! Eh? So, hey! His daughter disengaged you because they feel that they have gotten a better man. The daughter now feel that she has gotten a richer man. Is it? You always give her money. And you were giving his father money all the time. Now, this is how they want to pay you for all the goodies you have been doing for them. Hey, that will not happen. No. Not while I'm still alive. I cannot. Let me see how this will happen. Hi.
Uncle, let's go. Please, let's go. Our village is far. I mean, after all I did for her, God, why me?
Hi. You see?
Why me?
You see that man that is making them feel that they have gotten the whole world. That man that is making them feel that they now gain the whole world. I will make that man suffer. I will make him suffer. Agwoturumbe, Mazi Agwoturumbe of Ochaland will deal with that man. I will make him broke for life. See, I will make him, in short, I will make him chop sand.
Uncle, please, I know you're a powerful man, but please, don't harm the man and his business. It's all my fault. See,
I will do it, oh. I will do it, oh. I have the princess picture in my phone. It will only take me 1 foul. Just 1 foul. And I will make that man useless. One time. Yes, they will see what they did.
I will not be happy with you if you do that. I was only invested for love. I never knew she was just after my money.
It's not your fault.
Please let her go.
It's not your fault.
I've heard from the father. My God will judge them. God will pay them back.
Before God paying them back, I will do my own. See, I will pay them back. Chibika. 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 What is this? Somebody help! Chibika. What is wrong with you? Chibika. Somebody help! I don't know. I don't know. Chibika. I cannot write. I write. Chibika. What am I doing?
Where is Ogechi?
She's not around now.
I sent her to get my body cream. For over 3 hours now, she's not yet back.
Yes, my princess.
Get out.
Where could she have gone?
Why? After all, they didn't allow the driver to take her to the mall.
Was she have transport fare?
Which transport fare? Do they ever give us transport fare when sending us on an errand? They will never give us transport fare. Why are you behaving like you don't understand what I'm talking about?
Wow.
I don't know why this family, stinginess just runs in their blood.
My own is for Ogechi to come back safe and sound. Which one we say they will send person message without giving the person transport fare?
The moment you ask the princess for transport fare, she will tell you, don't worry, you make use of your own. When you come back, I'll give it to you. Lie. All lie. She will just scream to forget about it. And you won't have the guts to go and ask her for money. It's so dubious.
I have noticed. But it's unfair.
It's really unfair.
She went to see a man. A man? Yes. How did you know she went? The minute she came into this palace, it was smelling all over her. Even though she changed to the maid outfit, I knew she went to see a man. She was smelling of man. Fool! You think you can stick? Okay, that means you can get. Nonsense. And you? Where were you coming from? Where did you go to?
I did not go anywhere, Your Highness. I did not go anywhere. I came home as soon as I can.
Hey, you see it now, eh? Just imagine. Sorry, stop crying, eh? You helped a dying man and she didn't even want to listen to that part. That witch, eh? Sorry, she's just so wicked, eh? Sorry, don't cry again. You're crying over it. You're crying to do anything. I know, eh? Don't mind her, babe. She's just so wicked. Sorry. Sorry. You helped the dying man and this was at the end of the video because of helping somebody. I don't know why they're just so wicked. Eh? Stop crying now, eh? Stop crying now. See, I was so joy and be crying. Stop crying, don't worry, eh? I'm strong. Oh, sorry. I told you. Eh? She's a witch. Eh? Oh my God. Sorry. Eh? Sorry. So, the wickedness in our blood is too much. Eh?
Echezona, you're close. Okay. We are at Isiaka Junction. Yes, we are waiting for you so that we can go home together. Yes. Okay, be fast, eh? Hey. Play.
Father! He has landed. He just called me now. He's at the airport. Can I go and see him? Come on. Hey, baby. Where are you going to? Mother, what is it? You are a woman, for goodness sake. A man should come look for you, not the other way around. Keep yourself some prestige. Does it matter? It matters! I just wish I never told you. This her daughter is very desperate, and I don't like it.
Hey, Papa, why did the music stop? What is going on? Daddy, So good to see you, Papa. Thank you, man. I like you. How are you? Hey, it's been a long journey, I tell you. So there's traffic in this. Hey, oh no, Okada. Sorry, there's traffic in this village now. You people, Papa, I spoke to you last week. You did not tell me that fuel has put money in this now. Oh yeah. Hey! Echezona is back. And I'm happy to be home. Ogene, music, Ogene. Hey. Ogene, music! Why now? Mommy, what is going on? Are you not happy to see me? Hey, there's an adage says that there's no place like home. Echezona is back home and I'm a happy man. Mommy, what is wrong with your way? Mommy, let's be going. Mommy, why are you walking like this? Why are you walking bang? Mommy, stand quick. Let's be going. That was exactly what happened to me. I lost everything. Suddenly things just went bad in London. I don't know what happened. I lost my businesses, I lost my business associates. Nobody wanted to do business with me anymore. I didn't know what was going on. I didn't know what was happening to me. At some point, I even had to sell my house in London. Yes, So that I can put clothes on my back and food on the table. Again, that money just disappeared too. I don't know what happened to the money. I still paid just from this village. I don't know what was going on. You know, everybody that I ran to loan me money. Nobody obliged. So I had to come back home.
My son, are you really telling us the truth? Is this real?
Mama, how can you be asking if it is real? Look at my... Don't look at me. Don't I look real? Have I ever come back to this village looking like this?
Hey.
Huh? I come back... I came back here looking like this and you're still asking if it is real. Mama, please, now don't be insensitive. There's certain words that you shouldn't be saying. The only thing that brought me back here is that I'm confident in the adage that says that there is no place like home.
Which home are you talking about? No, tell me, which home? The one you built here? Why didn't you carry your house from London or Qatar and bring it here and call it home? This is my home. Oh, this boy, you killed me. You killed me. Look, let me tell you, you better go back to where you're coming from. Whether it is London or it's Qatar, wherever it is, go back. Instead of coming here to disgrace us in this village.
I've not come to disgrace you, Papa. I've not come to disgrace anybody. I have come here to find a solution to what my problem is. And see if I can get help from my kingsmen. And also to marry Princess Omalicha. It's been a while we've been dating.
My anger in all this is that he didn't even come back with a car. No London bread, no London biscuit, no London chin-chin, no London sweet thing, kete.
I think you should look at yourself. You want to marry Princess like this, just the way you are looking. You don't even have a car. You don't have anything. How is that possible? Eh? If I walk over this night, you are going to enter that night bus. If you have to enter one and leave this village this night. What is that? Eh? Negodi, even though the princess are that fools, off go this one go that now. What is it? Eh? Never no more. Yeah. Oh, it's a moto.
Mama, so you're here, they're talking to me like this. I don't like this, I don't like this. Like I said, I came back home to find solutions to my problem. And not for you people to talk me to death. Do you know what I've been through? I'm not even feeling well. I'm on medication. You people should not kill me.
May that your sickness kill you. May you die from this your sickness.
You want me to die?
Yes. It's better you are dead than for me to have a useless son. Just look at you. Oh. You broke my heart. You have killed me. I didn't bargain for this. Why did you come back? No, tell me, why did you come back? You should have remained there. Oh. I can take this.
Oh no, where are you going now?
Papa.
My daughter, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. What do you want, sir?
Do you have rat poison?
Yes, I have. Is it the kill and dry or the rat gum? Which one do you want?
Kill and dry. The one that kills almost immediately. Eh?
Okay.
A lot of rats are disturbing me in my house.
Okay. It's 200 naira.
Okay, go and bring it. Quick. Be fast now, go and bring it.
So why are you in a hurry? Is it a problem?
Are you not selling? Why are you asking me questions? Go and bring it fast.
Papa.
Oh no, what are you doing here?
Papa.
What kind of question are you asking me? What are you doing here? Are you monitoring me?
Papa, what are you doing in this shop?
He came to buy
what did you come here to look for?
He came to buy rat poison.
Hey!
Rat again.
Rat what?
Oh no!
Papa, do you have to commit suicide?
Oh no, we was okay. Oh no!
Jesus! Suicide!
Okay.
Papa!
Oh no!
Suicide!
Help!
Suicide! God forbid.
Why do you want to kill yourself? For what? Why? We are supposed to be looking for solutions to this problem. Instead of you trying to kill yourself.
That is it. That is just it. We have to find a solution. I'm not just finding a solution. We have to start finding that solution right now. Because I don't understand. I don't understand at all.
Papa, don't do this to me. Oh. Don't do this to me. Listen to your brothers, please.
And where is Echezona? Huh? Where is he?
Come on, baby. Come on. What?
Excuse me. Why are you looking like this?
How do I look? Don't I look healthy?
Let's go to your house. You told me you bought a house, the house you told me about. Can we go there?
No, we cannot, because I have a sad story to tell you. I don't have a house in this town. I was hoping to buy a house on my return to Nigeria, but things went south for Malaysia, and my plans did not manifest as envisaged. I'm sorry.
Echezona, can we go somewhere and talk? I want to talk to you now.
I know what you want to talk to me about. And I'll just tell you straight up. I have lost everything. I lost my money, I lost everything that I owned in London. After I moved from Qatar to London, I wanted to make it bigger. I decided to invest big. It was legal, trust me. And I did that because that is what great people do. You must push to the next level in life. But unfortunately, I did not know that our associates were not genuine. I was not the only one affected, trust me. All other business partners that I worked with are also all financially grounded, just like I am. I am sorry. I have come back home because I know that I can get help and I can get your support. I have lost everything on my return.
You're joking. You're joking, right? You're not real.
I'm not going to joke with a woman that I intend to spend the rest of my life with. I'm serious. As a matter of fact, I need your help. Omarija, I'm tired. But I know that you can be my strength. I need your help.
You know what, Echezona, enough of your prank. You're pranking me, right? I know. No, you are. Enough of it. Let's go to your place. Shall we?
There is no place to go to.
Let's just go.
I don't understand why you're like this. What are you falling sick for? That I'm in this condition. Is that the reason? I'm not dead. I'm still here.
that I lost everything that I owned in the twinkling of an eye. So what? Did I lose my life? I'm going to bounce back. I will bounce back. Huh? He said that the princess will not accept me in my new state, but she's here. That is because she understands that a man would fall 7 times and rise 7 times. Huh? Everything that I have lost in due time, if I keep focused, I'm going to recover. I don't like what you're doing. I don't like what you're doing. If you continue to, I'm going to travel to Aba and go and stay with my friend in that place. I'll go. Because really, I don't understand. Papa, you're blowing this out of proportion. It's not necessary. Eh? There are billionaires across the world. They do business, they make business moves. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work. That's not the end of life. Eh? I lost my cars, I lost my company. So what? Kanye West lost hundreds of millions of dollars in one day. That man is still breathing. Huh? Right.
This is not true. Echezona is now poor. Oh my God. No. What? Oh my God. No. No.
My daughter is already in a relationship. And as it stands, they are getting ready for their marriage. So, are you coming as a friend? Or you want to get married to someone who is preparing to marry a big billionaire in my kingdom?
Your Highness, I love the princess. And I'm going to make her see exactly how I feel about her. I don't care about her relationship with a millionaire. I'm a billionaire. As a matter of fact, I had already introduced myself to her the first day we met. But then, I was a bit surprised. She didn't call me back. And so I decided to come looking for her myself.
That's quite impressive. I like your boldness. But I don't want you to jeopardize my daughter's relationship. Yes.
Princess Diana, please, Mom.
Hey, princess.
I know you. In net oil and gas.
That is correct.
How did you get to know this place?
Well, you seem quite popular around here.
Whatever.
Oh, Malika. My princess. What happened? Cold. Could it be that? No, wait. Echezona told me that every fortune he has made in life, that he has lost it. He said that the British government came after him, that they found that his company was involved in drugs. This is a dude that used to gift me millions of naira, mother. He has lost everything. I mean, can you believe that? Is it true? Is he dealing on drugs? I thought he's a petrochemical engineer with his own company. But he said someone set him up. That's what he told me. He has lost everything. He has lost everything. A man that used to give me so much money now begs me for money. My daughter, this is the time for you to show him that you love him. If really he is innocent and clean, as you said, this is the time for you to pray for him. Wish him well. Encourage him. In fact, pick him up with the little you have. You don't need to tell your father about it. You control the company's money somehow. Do something for that young man. Okay? Do something for him.
No way. No way, it is not going to happen.
Igwe, can you stop being materialistic for once? Please.
I think it's not going to happen. She is not going to marry the man, period.
That is for Malisha to decide. Why are you doing this? Why are you like this? This is the same man you sang his praises a few weeks ago. You talked about him day and night. You wine and dine with his father. Because of this young man, you discarded Andre. Oh, because it's like this, you want to discard him too? Igwe!
Sing the song that you want to sing. You cannot force my daughter to marry whoever she doesn't want to get married. Period.
My Lord, why don't you use this opportunity to advise your daughter to love and love for real? To leave material things.
Woman, shut up. I said shut up.
I'm sorry. But can I suggest something? Why don't you help the young man, your future son-in-law? Because you loved him when he was so rosy.
Was it my daughter that made him bankrupt? Come on, my daughter is too expensive to be walking about the kingdom with that sweat.
All of a sudden, it's a twerk.
You see, I've gone to find out what is really going on. But I was told the mayhem won't last long, just for a while.
Oh no, what an ifo.
Oh no, we will never listen. That is exactly my problem with him.
No, we must talk to him. We must talk. Oh. He's not the only one feeling the pain. This is a great fall. I mean, I'm still in great shock.
Same as myself. Honestly, we need to ask Echezona serious questions.
Yes.
Echezona, he needs to tell us exactly what happened. Somebody who used to give us money, give us anything that we request for, without even doing anything. For calling us an uncle, all of a sudden, he's now broke. Eh? Yes. Let's go. We must do something.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey! Eh? You don't say.
Sister, this is a very serious matter.
Hi.
This man went physically, practically, and economically, and everything broke.
Hey! Yeah? Is that why the father came here to buy rat poison so he can commit suicide?
Now.
Hi.
As I'm talking to you now, the man is down.
Hey.
And this is the same person the princess is supposed to marry you. Your materialistic princess. I'm very sure she's not interested again. She will not want to stoop so low to that kind of condition. Marry a poor man.
Hey! So, he is a wedding man that the princess left Andre for?
Yes, now.
Ha!
Sister, if you see this man, you will know he has touched money. You will know he has felt money. If you see his skin, it's glittering.
Child.
Very fine. So this life, there's nothing in this life. I don't even know what happened to him. This is real.
Hi. Mmirimba na-akụ, ọ na-akụ, ọ na-akụkwa. Mmirimba na-akụ. Mmirimba na-akụ, ọ na-akụ. The sun has risen.
Mama.
There is calmness in the land. The moon shines and the stars are out. Mmirimba na-akụ, ọ na-akụ, ọ na-akụkwa. Mmirimba na-akụ. Mmirimba na-akụ, ọ na-akụ, ọ na-akụkwa. Mmirimba na-akụ.
Allow the woman to finish what she's doing.
What is she doing?
Allow her to finish what she's doing. A possessed person is like a drunkard. He will never admit his status. Allow her to finish her work.
What is she doing? Brother, your water should not touch me. Oh. Mama, tell this woman that her water should not touch me.
Cherekwano
what? What is this woman doing? Why did you people bring this woman here? What is this? It's a waste of time.
Calm down. Allow her to finish what she's doing.
What is she doing? What is she doing? Brother, your water should not touch me. Oh.
He is now the one speaking. I understand the spirit.
They can hear my voice. I'm the one talking. Don't come and make me look stupid and useless to my people. I'm the one talking. Look at them, fake prophets everywhere. Is this what the prophet or the priest said? What is this now?
He has a spiritual wife.
Which spiritual wife? What is this woman talking about? Her water is touching me. Mama, talk to her now. She's hovering around me. Her water is touching me. I don't like it. What is this?
She's angry because he wants to get married to the princess. Yes, that is why he took all his wealth. But he's not aware of it.
Madam with dreadlocks, slow down. What wealth? You see, this is how they brainwash you people, Africans. This is how they brainwash you people. This is a general knowledge. Princess and I have been dating for so many years. They know I'm back to marry her. They know that I'm in love with the princess. So I don't understand now how that is fresh information. I don't understand how that is prophecy. I'm talking and she's pouring me water. Allow her to do her work. Do what stupid work? This is how they bamboozle you people with baseless stories. Africans are constantly held back because everything that happens, you fly past, cockroach past, you people must chop cola nut and pour libation. I tell them to bring hot. And I'm talking that she's sprinkling water on me. Madam, respect yourself. Oh. Respect yourself. Your water is touching me. I'm telling you now. Madam, I beg, not that your water is touching me.
Look at this boy. Princess.
Look at this boy. Abomination.
That boy has asthmatic your God.
That spirit is angry.
That you will leave this house today. You will leave this house. He has completely asthmatic the God. Okay. Nonsense! Nonsense!
What are you doing? This is not your friend now.
Who gave this a plate of food? Eh? Let me catch any of you again. Give this stupid boy food. Then you will have me to answer to. And as for you, it's either you leave my house or you go take the river and perform the sacrifice. Idiot!
You people have seen, eh? You people have seen. I was just eating at the dining table. Somebody just came. I carried my food. I came to point here. You people have seen the kind of father that I have.
Is it your food? Go buy your own food. Why are you the one that bought it? Idiot!
Papa, you have forgotten yesterday, eh? You have forgotten yesterday. It's okay.
And see, as for both of you, you've heard me. If you give this man food again, I will deal with you in this house. And this is it's alright.
So what do you? So how am I going to eat now, Mama? How am I going to eat?
And this is the last thing we have in the house. Hey.
It's okay. Let me go and get something.
Where are you going?
No. Well, I'm sorry about this. Your son can no longer marry my daughter. Because the news is everywhere that your son is a drug dealer. And
May the gods forbid.
And even if the gods forbid, my daughter had already made up her mind, and I support her.
Your Majesty, if I may ask, was it because of money that your daughter decided to marry your son?
I want to be left alone. Thank you for coming.
Look, I am a princess. You cannot invite me for our first meeting to your house. Look, I'd rather prefer an outdoor meeting. That's how it's done. Alright. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
You told your father that you're no longer interested in the marriage.
Exactly. Look, Mother, it took me a long night to decide on that. I'm a princess. You don't expect me to get married to a man who cannot meet my needs. Echezona is poor. I cannot stoop so low to marry him. It's demeaning of me. My friends will laugh at me. I'll become an object of ridicule. Mother, I cannot.
Omarita, my late mother of blessed memory told me that people will laugh at me. They will mock me. They will despise me. I will lose friends. I will gain enemies. But I should never relent on what I want in your father. Omarichanwa, do not let the meaning of your name overhype you. The beauty of an African woman is not outward, but inward. I advise you to go back to Echezona. Lick your wounds of doubt with him now, so that you can become the real queen in future.
Mother, I'm not in the mood for this advice. Excuse me.
Thank you. Thank you. How much?
1,350, sir.
This is 1.5.
Okay, let me get your change.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. You can keep the change.
Oh.
Keep the change, it's okay.
Thank you, sir.
It's fine, huh?
Hey.
Good day, man.
This man, just pass me money like that.
You don't know the man.
No.
He looks son that came back from London with nothing.
Hey, child. Ha. Ha. And he's so handsome, oh. Very handsome.
Handsome without money now. Ego.
Oh.
With money.
It's fine. What do you want to buy?
Just water, bottled water.
Cold one?
Yes.
Okay.
Princess, you have not been taking my calls. I have been calling.
Ichezona, I am still in shock. I am dazed. I'm flabbergasted. I mean, what happened to you? How come you lost everything? The news is spreading all over the place that you're broke. What happened to the hopes, the dreams? What happened to you?
Life happened, no manager. I may have lost everything, but I did not lose you. I have not lost you, my darling. All I need is your support, and I can shine again. I can make it anywhere else in the world. With your support, I can just pick myself up. Please, stop avoiding my call. Stop not thinking like this. It's not fair.
I'm busy. I'm a very busy woman.
Yeah, but you can return my calls. Huh? Manager, please now. Help me. Even if it's just 2 million naira, just give it to me. Trust me. I can start up. You know how industrious I am.
You call 2 million naira just? Anyways, I don't have 2 million naira to give to you. You know what? Just give me some time to figure out something.
Kept you so long. The uncle came late. I had to wait for him to come before I leave the hospital.
Lolo asked her, and I liked it.
Is she angry?
No. I told her you went to see your picture.
Thank God. There's good news.
What?
He opened his eyes today and he spoke.
Are you for real? Wow.
I'm just so happy he's responding to treatment. Though he said he wants to travel to London to continue the treatments over there.
Wow. I'm really happy for him. Oh.
Yes, I am too.
Come, let's go before they catch me.
You will not enter that room until you free yourself from the spell of that your spiritual wife. You will not!
Mama, you're here. You can see your husband. Oh, I don't like what you're doing. You're pushing me. You're pushing me. This is just not right. Let me go to my room. Please. I don't like this one.
Leave my son alone, oh. Leave him alone, oh.
Where do you think you're going? Look, it's either you go and free yourself from that spell, or you go back to London. You can't disgrace me here.
That's the window. The machete down. Yes.
Then come and put it down for me.
You cannot be wielding a machete because of your son. I'm not possessed. I don't have a spiritual wife. Please, just let me through. I don't like what you're doing. You're frustrating me.
Really? Are you? What are you saying?
Please, now let him be. Let him be.
Let him be. Look at this fool. We saw the largest piece of land with us to send this explosion to London. What did he come back with? Not even a pin! And you want to do what? Come on, pass. No, come on, pass! Let him be. Let him be. Go.
Papa, so you have forgotten. So soon. Papa, you have forgotten. I bought you a car with my hard-earned money. I put you and every other person in this family, even our extended family members, on monthly payroll. Everybody was getting an allowance every month. I renovated this house. Your wife here had never been on an airplane before. I flew her to London for the first time.
You are standing very firm now, wielding a machete at me because I paid for you to stay alive. I took care of your medical bills. I flew you to America. I took you to London. I flew you to Turkey. Now you are very fit at your age to fight me, and you have forgotten that it was all my money. Papa, now you want me out because I am in this state. You want me out because I am temporarily broke. And I say no, this is my father's house, I go nowhere. Okay. When you finish doing your father, you will leave my house. I'm not leaving. You're not leaving? I'm not going anywhere. Come on, Papa. If I don't cut into pieces, I will cut into pieces. I'll murder you. Papa, put the machete. Put what down? Put the machete down. I know that I don't have a son.
Papa, leave my brother alone. Leave him alone. What is all this now? Come.
Are you talking to me? What did you say? Come on, Papa.
Nine, please, let him be.
I thought that you want me to fetch your London at this time of the night. Okay.
Hey, baby. Thanks for the trade. You want me to come and know your house? Tomorrow? Over the weekend? I can come tomorrow. Okay. Thanks a lot. Alright, bye. I'm just tired of this one. I am tired. I wish your brother could just do what they asked him to do so that this whole problem will be over.
Mama, please. I don't believe you all these things. Yeah? It's just a passing phase. Everything will be alright.
Will you shut up your mouth? Will you shut up? What do you know? Eh? You don't know anything. Have you wondered where your brother is going to stay? Oh, come on, my heartless father. Huh?
I think it's going to take him in his house.
Why his own father account is here? Okay? You will go and be sleeping in someone else's house. Oh God. You see, when I was telling your brother to be careful the way he spends money on his father, he wouldn't listen to me. Imagine the hot betrayal. Even the so-called princess disappointed him.
I knew from his own face that he never seen it. At least it's better now. People have seen it all for yourself.
God help my son. Help you. Help him. I wish I could just get a comfortable place to keep my son. Because all these distractions are too much. That's not what he needs now. Thank God.
Good morning. They told me that you sell recharge cards.
Yes, I do. What do you want?
Selfish people, they are dangerous. Dangerous. Self-centered people, they are dangerous. Dangerous. Selfish people, you so much love money. Pass this your life. Greedy people, self-centered people, everywhere. At all.
Kamali just said you have been ill advising her. She said you have been advising her to fall in love with that stupid, poverty-stricken boy.
Wait, please. It's too early. I do not want to talk, please. It's too early.
Now let me tell you, whatever your plans are, or whatever you have been telling for marriage, just know that she will not accept your overtures. Whatever you do, she will not change her mind because she knows what she wants.
Now, Igwe, may I remind you that when you join your ancestors, according to the tradition and custom of this land, your daughter cannot become a queen, hence she is not married.
Okay?
And by virtue of that same custom and tradition, the crown will go to the Onowu's family. Hence you do not have an heir.
Maybe there's something wrong with you. Are you aware that by virtue of that same custom and tradition, that my daughter has the right to declare her husband as a king, as long as I'm alive?
Is your daughter married? No, tell me, is your daughter married? For goodness sake, why must she get married to a billionaire?
Are you by any chance wishing me dead? Or wishing that this crown lives my lineage?
God forbid. Igwe, I can never think of such a thing. But I'm obligated to tell you the truth. The simple truth, Igwe. Excuse me.
My princess.
Hello.
Welcome to my home.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm good. You look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Your house is very spacious and beautiful.
Definitely not as beautiful as you are. But my princess, you're looking absolutely gorgeous. What do you care for?
A wine will do.
Michael? Sir? A bottle of wine. Please. Princess, you look absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you.
Let me show you around. This way.
So that is my story. That is how everything turned upside down. I lost everything. Went back to square one.
This This is so heartbreaking. I'm so sorry for everything you went through. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
So now what's your next plan?
I don't know. I don't know if to go to the city to find what I can get my hands to do, or just reside here in the village and maybe, just maybe, I can also find something to do here. I just don't know. I don't know.
What? Sincerely, like, are you saying that the princess refused to help you at this time? Looking at what you've done for her?
Princess, well, as you can see. Maybe later, maybe, who knows? Maybe she might decide to show up for me later, but now, I also don't want to begin to harbor some negative thoughts in my head. I don't know. We'll see.
Once again, I'm sorry. Like, this is so traumatizing. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for everything you've been through and stuff. Please, I'm just...
It's really peaceful here, you know. Yeah. It's peaceful here. I really enjoy just sitting here and talking with you.
You're welcome to stay here anytime. You can stay here for as long as you want. You're welcome. It's not a problem at all. You can stay here.
I know, but I have to go. I have to go. Let me go around and see what I can achieve today.
So soon, like now, like.
You know what they say, time waits for no one.
Yeah. Okay, I'll just see you off then.
Thank you.
You must use your senses, you must use your brain for you to conquer. I believe my heart's breaking. I believe my breakfast, yo. Serve you well. But you must use your sense, you must use your brain to follow things, yo. And why you're so, you can't buy a job. I want to get work. Whatever it might say, that it was real.